I'm showing y'all this because somebody is gonna go through this on theirs. I'm working on a 2015 Nissan Altima and I'm changing the passenger side CV axle. You see how it look. But the problem is this bearing brace right here. Once you get this plate off right here, let me put it back over here so y'all can see, because that's how it go. Once y'all get this plate off, this thing supposed to slide out. But in my case, it's seized up in there. So what I gotta do is take the whole housing off so I can be able to get to it. Y'all can see this one bolt that's loose and that other bolt that's loose up there. So yeah, I'm not understanding it. Why this ain't loose? I looked at the videos on other people that's doing this. Once they took their plate off, this thing pops out, but I already see in there it's seized. So what I had to do was, see this oil cooler right here, see I had to take it loose because this bolt and this piece of the housing bumps up against this thing, so you won't be able to pull this damn thing out without doing what I just did, loosen this up. And I'm just showing y'all, so folks that's got the 2013s through the 2018 Altimas, you see what all you gonna have to go through. I already got everything else off over here and all that. As y'all can see, it's just this. Once I pull this whole thing out, you gotta beat on this thing around this side and this side. You gotta stand it up, use a mallet. It should send enough vibration through it to break it free, and using PB Blaster or WD-40. So I done talked enough. Let me go ahead so I get back to work to get this. But I wanted to show what you're gonna have to go through. All right.